how to enable or disable color correction shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on accessibility. After that, tap on vision enhancements. Then go down and tap on color correction. In here at the top, tap on the toggle button to switch it on if you want to use color correction, otherwise switch it off. Now go down here and tap on color correction shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Tap on the left hand side panel. In here, there are 3 different shortcuts that you can activate. The first one is the tap accessibility button. So if you turn on this shortcut here, it is down here. So if you tap on the accessibility button, it will open up a menu. In here you can tap on color correction to turn it on or switch it off. Now again, this is a shortcut which allows you to quickly turn on or turn off color correction. Another way to do it is to assign the shortcut to press side and volume up buttons combination. So here it is selected. So when I press on the volume up button together with the side button, this will allow me to bring up a shortcut menu. From here I can quickly turn on or turn off color correction. And the last shortcut is to assign to the press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. So here I can press on both volume keys simultaneously and hold for 3 seconds. And this will bring up a shortcut. From here I can tap on the shortcut to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.